Do you know this is one of the food recipe that is everybody's favorite? Definitely you don't want to argue with me. You might not like plantain, but you see beans, it is everyone's favorite. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Bossy. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your beans. First things first, make sure your beans is dirt and stone free. Then you are just going to rinse your beans and put water in a pot on fire. Make sure your water brings to a boil before you go in with your beans and then your onion. Then we're just going to mix together and then we're just going to cover this and allow it to get cooked for more than 30 minutes. For me, I'll allow my beans until it is very soft and chewable like this before I go in with our next ingredient. So our next ingredient is grated pepper. Then after that, we're just going to add a little bit of seasoning and salt to taste. Then we're just going to add a scoop of red oil. As you can see, just 1 spoon is enough. Then after that, we're just going to mix together until it is properly and well combined together. P.S. I also added crayfish off camera. So we're just going to mix together. And feel free if you want to match your beans. So after mixing this together, we're just going to cover it and allow it to steam up for just 5 to 7 minutes. And after that, this is what we have. I served my beans with plantain while my husband ate this with bread. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, are you going to recreate this video? Do well to watch our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share for everyone, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.